Welcome back. This is Carlisle Amlak from Mahavidya Ayurveda. What is the number one question that I get asked most often from clients? It's what to eat when. So people become hyper-focused, I found, on diet with Ayurveda, but it's important to remember that we've got 4 other senses. So check out our 5 Sense blog post or video here on YouTube or on our website, mahavidyaayurveda.com. But if you are someone that's curious about what to eat when, the answer lies in a couple of main areas. Number 1, it's what's local and in season for you. So I am going to have different things available to me here in Puerto Rico than you may if you live in other climates in the world. Checking out what's growing from your local farmers or even starting a garden yourself is going to be number 1. The second component is paying attention to the status of digestion. And so we want to pay attention to these areas. We've got a really fun video. We've also got a quiz available so that you can see what the status of your own digestion is. And we've got tips specific for you after you take the quiz to help you there. And lastly, it would be observing both the season and your constitution to create qualities in the body that are supportive for health. So if this is interesting to you and you want to learn more, reach out to us for a consultation or consider one of our professional training programs. As always, stay healthy, friends.